Vice President Jejomar Binay's speech before a packed room of supporters at the PICC was a preview of him as a president. His spokesman, Cavite Governor John Vic Remulla, says,
"It is his preparation for being president. He sounded presidential to me."
Asked why Binay chose to give a speech before his supporters instead of coming to the Senate to air his side, Binay spokesman J.V. Bautista says,
Kasi po yung Senado ay dominado ng dalawang senador at sila ang nagbibigay at nagbabato ng mga tanong. Kung nakita niyo yung mga nangyari na pagdinig, ay kung hindi nila gusto yung sagot, hinihinto nila yung testigo. At kung gusto nila yung sagot, yun lamang ang pinakikinggan nila. Kaya ho sa ganyang kondisyon, mukha hong hindi maganda para sa ating pangalawang Pangulo na pumunta doon. Dahil ang kaso ho ay nasa ombudsman. Hindi ho dapat nililitis ng dalawang senador na hindi naman nila talaga naiintindihan ang mga ebidensya.
This is Christine Sabilio for Inquirer.net.